My dearies, if you've been sitting on an idea, a skill, a story, a system, this here is your sign. You see, 2026 is not waiting for perfect. It's going to reward people who move. So let's get into it. No fluff, no motivational screaming, just real steps. This is how you start selling digital products in 2026. Step by step. Stay with me. Step 1, find your niche. Once you do that, you validate it. My dear, before you design anything, before Canva, before logos, you have to first find a problem. So this simply means it starts with you. Figure it out. What do people ask you about? Is it money, career, relationship advice, parenting, healing, systems? Or maybe it could even be about survival. You know, that thing you explain so often that you're tired. There's your product. Now, zoom out. That idea, go search it online. You know, platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and even Instagram comments. If people are selling it already, good. That's demand, not competition. And please define your person. One person. Find out, what do they do for work? What keeps them up at night? Where do they hang out online when they are avoiding their life? And this is because if you don't know who you're talking to, your product or whatever product you create will disappear into the void. And baby, nobody hears whispers. Here's a quick thought. If that your idea makes you slightly nervous, whenever you try to say it out loud, then it means you're close. Step 2, this is where you actually now create the digital product. You match the product to the problem, not your ego. So here is what actually is selling or will be selling in 2026. 1, online courses. Teach a skill. Break it into steps. A phone camera is enough. People nowadays mostly care about clarity, not cinematic angles. Number 2, templates and tools. These are things like planners, trackers, spreadsheets, or even Canva layouts. You see, time saving sells very fast. Always, you can never go wrong with that. 3, ebooks and guides. You know, structured knowledge using simple language, focusing more on outcome over poetry. 4, memberships and communities. There's recurring value with live calls, private chats, and of course, accountability. And this is because people will pay to not feel alone. 5, AI enhanced products. For example, custom prompts, automated tools, and personalized outputs. My dear, this lane is loud right now. Still early for you if you move smart. Tools, keep it boring. Google Docs, Canva, and your phone. And I say this because loud tools don't fix unclear thinking. Keep that in mind. Now, let's go to step 3. Choose a platform and set up your store. And this is because you need somewhere that collects your money while you sleep. Period. Here are some few solid options for 2026. Whoop, all in one. For your courses, communities, softwares, and downloads. Advantage, it has no monthly fees. It supports multiple payment options. And most especially, is good if you want everything under one roof. Next, easy tools. The advantage, it has an inbuilt website builder. It also has landing pages and testimonials. It's best for creators who want structure without tech stress. I'm considering it. And lastly, Gumroad. I use this personally. And this is because it has simple uploads. It also handles payments and delivers files automatically. It's perfect if you're starting with ebooks or something like a template, and especially if you want zero drama. Okay? So my best advice to you is choose one. Don't platform hop. So if you do that, that's procrastination dressed as research. Now that you have that handled, let's go to step number 4. This is where you price it, launch it, and market it. Let's talk about pricing it first. Check similar products. Then ask yourself, what result am I delivering? You can do tiers, something like basic, premium, and extra support. And I say this because people like options. It makes decision making easier. Next, your sales page. It matters a lot. You'll need a clear headline, something explaining what changes after they buy. Put up visuals, even if it's a simple one. Add a description that focuses more on outcomes and not features. And if you have proof, screenshots of things like feedback, great. Even DMs. If you have even one testimonial, it will help. Now, marketing. Pick 1 or 2 channels. That's it. Post content that solves small parts of the problem that your product fixes fully. Use something like a lead magnet, a checklist, a mini guide, something useful. Start building an email list, and this is because social media is rented land or rented space. But you see, email, that's home. Also list your product inside your platform marketplace if available. And this is because extra eyes help. Here's a little secret. If talking about your product feels awkward, that means you don't believe in it yet. And you should fix that fast. Now, let's go to step 5. Grow it into something real. After launching, listen. And this is because feedback is gold. Use it to refine and not to spiral. Build your email list intentionally. This is where launches happen quietly and profitably. After all that, you then get to expand. Free resource, low cost ebook, premium course, paid membership. You see that ladder? It works because trust over time compounds. You can also use something like affiliates. This simply means letting others sell for you. Of course, commission based. It's scalable and efficient. You see, selling digital products isn't a one-hit thing. It is a system. So, start small, learn fast, adjust, and then repeat. And listen, if you have been waiting for permission, then this is it. If you'd like tailored advice for your niche or idea, comment assist and I'll respond. Or I'll get back to you. Well, I'm Miss Muithathi, and I'll see you in my next video.